Are your Instagram Reels lagging, freezing, or buffering on Android? In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple ways to fix Instagram Reels lag on your Android phone so everything runs smoothly again. Let's jump right in. Make sure you have a strong and stable connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Slow internet is one of the main causes of lagging Reels. Solution 1. Reduce background apps and lower data usage in Instagram. First, swipe or tap the app switcher. Close all unnecessary apps running in the background. This frees up RAM and improves performance. Then open Instagram on your device. Go to your profile in the bottom corner. Now tap the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Data Usage and Media Quality. Turn on Data Saver. This reduces video quality slightly but improves smooth playback. Solution 2. Clear app data and cache. Go to your phone's settings and tap Apps. Find Instagram and tap it. Tap Storage and Cache. Now tap Clear Cache. This can fix missing features caused by glitches. If that doesn't work, tap Clear Storage. You will need to log back in. This removes temporary files that may cause lag. And that's all for today. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tips. See you at the next one, guys.